Red Heart 7. It's scary. Oh.
Is that a real guy? Cause that worries me a little bit. Just so you know, this is the best coffee place I know in Japan, or at least in Kagoshima. The best. If you're ever here in Kagoshima, you must try this. Let's go check it out. So, as you can tell, there was a long waiting list for this soba that I always come for. But we got a little snack, and I got something from 7-Eleven. It's apparently Red Bull. It's Red Bull, but grape flavored. Oh my god! Imagine Fanta grape and Red Bull had a baby. This is exactly what it is. I have a pack of cards here. Each and every single one of them all different. I'm gonna give them a quick mix. Mimi-san.
Hi.
Shuffle. Today you're gonna be the magician.
No.
Yes. Put the cards on the table. I want you to cut about half. Very good. Which one do you like? This one? You sure? Take it. I'll take mine like this. And this is what I'm gonna do. I want you to go through the cards, look at them, take out one that you like, and only you see it. And then put it on the table here.
Okay.
I'll do the same.
Oh, you pick
Any card, okay? Good. Now we're gonna, this is my card, this is your card, yes? Remember that. Now we're gonna exchange like this, okay? Now very carefully, spread the cards in your hands like this. Okay? Take the card, very carefully, don't look at it. Oh. It's okay. Hold it, hold it. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Hi.
Okay. Now, put it anywhere you like. Don't look at it. Anywhere you like. Push it all the way in. And square the cards up like this. Okay. Now we exchange. So where is your card now?
My card's somewhere
Here, correct. Good. Now shuffle. Very good. Happy with that?
Yeah.
Yes, good.
I don't know.
Now
Am
you're
I?
gonna be a magician, okay?
Okay.
What's gonna happen is this. In a moment, you're gonna look through all the cards and take out one card that you think is my card.
Okay.
Okay, and I'll do the same.
Okay.
I'm the magician, so I should probably
you
know
can,
what card you selected.
but
So here we
I don't know
go.
if I can. How do I know?
Just whichever one that appeals to you the most. And just put it face down, okay? I'll take the rest of the cards. Good.
Wow.
Let's put ours together right beside each other like that. Fantastic. Now, here's the interesting part. Look at me. Here's the interesting part. You selected a card at random that you think it's my card.
Yeah.
Yeah? I selected a red card. Do you get that right?
Yes.
Yes, I selected a diamond.
Yes.
Yes? I selected a 7 of diamonds.
Shit, why? Yes.
You did?
I did. Wow. Oh my God.
What card did you select?
Mine?
Yeah.
Red Heart 7. Oh, it's scary. Oh.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
He moved. He's alive. So what you see behind me right here is the Sakurajima volcano. It is still an active volcano. I think the last time we were here was 2019, and then 2 years before that was 2017. That was when it erupted slightly. I don't know since then has it erupted, I hope not, but very beautiful sight as you can see. This is my last port day. Tomorrow will be a sea day and then back to Yokohama. This trip has been quite emotional for me because I'm finally back on Princess Cruises since the pandemic. And on the other hand, I've spent the most amount of time on Princess Cruises as my cruise ship. It was my first ever cruise ship, and so it meant a lot to me. And I met many friends and people on board that, you know, I spent long times with, and I finally get to meet them again, right? Made new friends, of course, but there were also a lot of others who I haven't seen in years and years, and it really is, you know, very emotional trip for me. I'll be back on the Diamond Princess for many more months this year for the Japan season. So I thought I'll end this vlog with, you know, the beautiful Sakurajima volcano. Thank you for watching. You guys take care, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.
待って待って待ってお座りしてお座りしていいのしたくないのはい
はい、ありがとうございます。
Thank you.